Small house, big lot. That's what opportunity looks like, and our newest listing in Rosemead, California checks the box. Let's go take a look. While this home is just over 1,100 square feet with 2 bedrooms, 1 bath, the value is really in the lot. We are standing on just under 9,000 square feet of space, and we are permitted by right to build up to a 1,200 square foot ADU and even a smaller junior ADU. Talk about opportunity. Another thing that I love is the workshop. Turn this space into a spot for your toys or any other side hobby hustle. So who do you know that's looking to move to the San Gabriel Valley? Share this video with them or give us a call to schedule a private showing.